So in the toss of two coin, we have total four possibility. How four possibility? Suppose we are tossing two coins at a time. So either we are getting headed on both the coin, either head on first, on second tail, then TH first time tail, then second time head, and then the last one is TT. So in the case of coin, we can simply write total outcomes comes is equals to 2 raised to n, where n is number of toss. So when we are tossing the three coin, so total outcomes is equals to 2 raised to 3. Why 3? Because we are tossing the three coins. So 2 raised to 3 will be 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. So there is a 8 possible outcomes in the case of three coin. So how will you write? Suppose मैंने first toss किया. So I am getting there head और tail, ये दो possibility होगी. Then we are tossing the second one. So when we toss the second coin, then again we have either head or tail. फिर जब मैं
Tail.
third, okay, then the third coin, head tail, head tail, head tail, and this side head and tail. अब चलो इनको combine करते हैं. So अगर मैं back से combine करूँ, then H H H. So first one is H H H. Second time is T H H. H T H. T T H. H T T, and the last one is T T T. That the total outcomes sample space, all these are the same thing denoting. Outcomes means what is the total probability and what are the numbers that we are getting of dice. So when we are tossing the dice at a single dice, so one dice, that the total outcomes will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is 6 number. यही 6 नंबर आएंगे ना, इसके अलावा तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. And when we roll
Yes,
the
sir.
two dice, so suppose कर लो एक के पास दो पर्सन है और दोनों एक एक डाइस लेके खड़े. So they have combination of 1 1. पहले पे 1 आया, दूसरे पे 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. ठीक है. When we start the next line, 2 1 till what number? 2 6. 3 1 till 3 6. Then 4 1. हाँ यह समझ में आ रहा है. In the case of a dice, we can write here total sample space. Sample space will be 6 power
36.
n. That means in the case of two dice, 6 is square, that is 6 6 are 36. And if you are rolling the three dice, so in the case of three dice, there is a 6 power 3. So 6 into 6 into 6, 216. So when we are rolling 3 dice ना, we will get the combination of 3 number 1 1 1, ऐसे सारे combination हमें मिलने वाले. We are taking a event, हम कुछ event organize कर रहे हैं और we are taking sub event E. हमने कोई event लिया E. It can be anyone. Suppose मेरे पास 5 पेन है और उस 5 पेन में से मैं 2 अच्छी बॉल पेन्स निकालना चाहता हूँ. So that is denoted by the E, क्योंकि हम कुछ event ले रहे हैं. Now the probability of that event is denoted by P of E. Means probability of getting event E. इसका फॉर्मूला होता है favorable outcomes upon. So we have the probabilities of favorable outcomes upon total events. Now let's see one example. Suppose I have So I have 10 pen. Out of 10, I have blue pen 5. Now I want to select, I want to pick the one pen randomly. अगर मैं इनमें, okay, so first we will write कि let A denote events of getting blue pen. So we will write a probability of A. So we have the formula probability is equals to favorable outcomes. So now we have the favorable outcome, that is the blue pen that we want to draw out. So 5 upon total outcomes we have 10. So simply we have the probability 1/2. Okay. Is it possible? Okay, that in percentage that is 100. Now is it possible that if I have 10 pen, मेरे पास ये 10 पेन है, is it possible that I will select 12 ball pen out of 10 ball pen? So first thing is, whenever you are getting numerator this one, that means the numerator is greater than denominator, this one is not possible in probability. So whenever you are writing like this you just, your mind will be click there, it is not a probability, you have done something mistake there. Now in this case, if I talk about the blue pen, so we have the probability of getting blue pen, that is 1/2. So if the probability of the favorable outcome is denoted by the P of A na, then not getting blue pen is denoted by P of A bar. अगर मुझे blue pen को मैंने A लिया है तो blue pen ना आने के chances को मैं A bar से denote करूंगा. Is probability of happening is denoted by A P of A, then not happening is denoted by A bar. So total probability of any event either happening or not happening, the sum will be 1. 1 के beyond हम नहीं जा सकते. Suppose that it is given that all a student will score A plus having probability (0.75). Then find probability of not scoring A plus grade. So can we use this formula? So in this case, we will consider here scoring A plus grade is a suppose event A. So that is 0.75. Now we have the probability sum will be 1. That is the scoring A plus grade, and those who are not scoring A plus, A bar is 1. So can we create the formula P of A bar is equals to 1 minus P of A?
Yes, sir.
So this is the probability is 0.25. So we will write here total ball is equals to 30. Okay. Theta boundary is 6. So not hitting boundary, that is 24. Why we are finding the not hitting boundary? Because we have to calculate C denote. So let A denote, you can take any letter, denote not hitting boundary. So probability of not hitting boundary is P of A. So we have to write the favorable outcomes. So out of 30 ball, C will not hit the boundary on 24 ball. So 24 balls are not hitting boundary. So we will write here favorable outcomes 24, that is out of 30. Then change into simplest form. 1, 2, 15. Then 3 4s are 3, 5, 5s are 15. So we have the probability 4 by 5. So in this case, first we have to find the total number of family. So addition of these two families is 1500. Now the first question is find the probability of having the two girl child. So number of girls in a family. So this is the two girl child. So we have favorable outcomes. So suppose we are taking the as a set A or event A. So we have 475 upon 1500. Now write in the simplest form. So when you cut it, you will get the 1900 by 30. And the second is one girl. So let B. So one girl having the 814 families. So it will be 2407 upon 750. Now no girl. So there is a family 212 family having the zero number of girls. So let's consider this P of C. So 211 by 1500.